Hello guys, and welcome here to the channel. And in today's video, we continue to explore the main functionality of Cheesus crypto analytical platform. And to be said, this tool will become a huge part of whole Cheesus ecosystem. And beside the fact that this tool is still under development and many features yet to be added, we have a nice chance to sneak peek at early beta version of this platform and check out its main analytical functions at work in the field of crypto trading analysis. This tool is fully dedicated to the analysis of the transactions on Uniswap and another DEXs on Ethereum Blockchain, and I believe many more will come as the platform progresses. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right into the platform and check out its main web page. Okay, as we see, Cheesus Reports is divided into 5 main parts: NFT, token, profit, NFT market, and flippers. Well, let's start with profit first. So here basically is profit scanner that shows us the entire history of wallet trading experience over a particular time. So as I see, we may enter our own wallet or choose any other from the given list and see its entire trading history. So it's just the main basic information in front of us, like total transactions, the fees that were spent in Ethereum, first and last transaction, the turnover of how many tokens went through this wallet. The profit page is very handy, like the total profit, the sale profit, the profit that went out from the wallet, like it went out to another exchange or maybe to another wallet or simply was cash out. And we have open positions of this account, so that's pretty great as well. And we have a report time. So for instance, let's just pick out any wallet from this list and see where this leads to. So let's just pick out this guy. So as we see, each wallet has its own portfolio, and we have many options out there. We can easily update the statistics of a report clicking recalc button, and this will load up the latest data. There is also a pretty handy Ethereum link that will take us to Etherscan. And here's more: we can download the full detailed report of the wallet's transaction, the profit, via CSV file, and there's a full version and there is a short one. So that's really great to have so many options out there. So here in summary, we have 3 columns. The first one that contains the general information about this addresses portfolio, which we've briefly seen before actually. The second column tells us about mainly by turnover information, the total profit, profit efficiency, all these basic information that mainly we had. And the third column, it says about profit sale, like top 10 and top 100. As you've noticed, we have 3 more tabs except summary. And let's just pick out trades closed, for example. So here we have the full list of all the trades that were closed in this wallet. And normally we consider a trade closed when we sell our assets for stable coins. So that's pretty handy to have such detailed information and the transaction hash and the date and the fee. So that's kind of super great. Now let's take a look at trades that have been moved out. And this happens when a user buys a token and withdraws them after some period of time from the balance. So like based on this, we can see how much profit they got in Ethereum and what is the percentage ratio, for example. There's another tab that says trades closed. So these self-explanatory, basically it's open trades that, the tokens that this wallet holds. And the last one, close trade by monthly. And there's yet another useful thing right here. So we can also check the detailed statistics on sales and deals during a particular time frame, like by month, for example. So here's a great calendar for you of all the sales dealt in a particular month. Was it profitable or not? And that's super great to have this, infographics just in front of you. Okay, now let's move to the second out of 5 main parts of Cheesus Reports, and there's token. So here we have the list of tokens in Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks. It's ERC20 and BIP20, obviously. This list might seem a little bit limited at first, but there's only because the platform is still under development and we can really understand them. So I think the more tokens are coming soon. We can click on any of them and let's see the statistics regarding, for example, 1inch token and its holders. So here's again a summary page, all the basic information regarding this token. The first column tells us total holders, total cap of the freeloaders and sames. So here's the interesting part, like freeloaders, it's kind of users who receive the token through an airdrop or free distribution. So we have on the left the percentage of how many tokens were airdropped, and the second one, how many users got this 1-inch token via airdrop. And the fourth one, same, revealed the identical history of transaction with a given coin. So having this info, we can assume, like, for example, bots were involved in, pumping price up and down or something like that. The second column is pretty self-explanatory. We have project fees, total coin transactions, all the info regarding the transactions with this coin. This page again has several tabs, and let's just click on top holders, for example. So as we may see, it's all about holders of this coin, and all the statistics regarding them is pretty self-explanatory. And if you need this information, it's definitely worth checking. There's obviously a good use of that. So let's move to top traders. Well, top freeloaders and files. Well, it's all self-explanatory. It all contains all the useful information in there, except files we can again download CSV file, which is awesome. Okay, so let's just pick out any wallet from these tabs list, just random one, and see where this will lead us. So here's the statistics in the context of this token, or in our case, is 1-inch. On the left, here's a general information about transactions. And on the right, as we can see, all the info about a selected token. Okay, so moving on to the next part, and I think this is going to be NFT. We have a super great analysis of all NFT projects and their holders. So we have a demo list of these projects, and let's just pick BAYC, for example, and see the main functions at work. So here in front of us, all the detailed info regarding this NFT project. So how many transactions were there, all the gas commissions, earnings on sales, first and the last transaction, etc. And now let's just open the list of NFT BAYC holders. And here's also will be a table containing the general info about them. It's all shown how much did the wallet pay for the NFT and for what sum it was sold, how many NFTs went through this wallet in general, and was bought top shows us how many NFTs was bought in general. Like if it's claimed, it does not count as a purchase. If we pick out any wallet address from the list, we will see all the detailed info about this wallet and the projects it's involved in. So again, summary contains all the detailed info, and that's super great. The second column in summary shows us all the activity in NFT space in general, like what was the activity of this wallet. And the third one shows us the particular information about this project. And one of the most popular requests here, I guess, will be the project sale line, like how much was earned of this project. And we can also compare that with all the numbers from the second column that shows us how much this wallet earned from the entire NFT trading history. So as we can see, for this guy, BAYC turned out to be most profitable project out of all. And at least we can also see the transactions on this NFT project, which is super great. Okay, so for the sake of this quick review, let's move on to NFT Market and see what this offers to us. Right here, we see all the NFT projects from OpenSea Marketplace, and we can also search them by the contract address. Now, let's pick out any NFT project address from this list and see what's going to happen. Okay, so here, this shows us two graphs. I believe the first one is turnover in ETH, from the model creation until the present. And the last one is total number of sales, which pretty much says explanatory. We can also check out the 100 project buyers and top 100 project resellers. From this info, we can assume how much the user of a particular wallet has invested in ETH in this project and how many NFTs they grabbed, for example. And the last column, this project part in all, shows us the share of this project in comparison with the total percentage of NFT acquired. So now let's just stop here for a second. And as we can notice here, some buyers are marked in red, which can tell us, some kind of a suspicious info about that, since their percentage is quite high, like it's greater than 70%. This clearly shows us that the wallet sends all of these funds to purchase this NFT, the specific project, and it seems like he's risking all of it. So that's kind of suspicious. putting all your eggs in one basket. And from that, unnecessary risk, we can assume that this user may somehow be connected with this project, or this may be like a founder of it. So he buys or she buys this NFT in order to raise the price or increase the sales. So that's kind of interesting assumptions we can make using Cheesus Reports. Okay, so you've seen yourself that this platform is quite versatile, has many use cases, and even at this early stage. So since the project is still under development, I guess in future we can expect even more analytical functions like great statistics graphs to be, and also nice friendly UI. I really think that Cheesus is aimed to building a huge ecosystem to become a central analytical platform in the crypto area of the trading market. And that's very interesting how things will turn out for them and how they will be developing in future. Okay, guys, so that was a quick review of Cheesus Reports and its main functions. And don't forget to subscribe and put likes on it. Leave your comments. What do you think about Cheesus Reports and what functions would you like to see in the future? So again, stay safe and strong and see each other next time.